Now I am going to dictate a journal passage based on Sir Kailash Chandra's shorthand transcriptions. Transcription number 355 at the rate of 80 words per minute. Let's start. Sir, it is sometime, nearly 3 months, since I had the opportunity of speaking in this house at length on the provisions of this bill, as it was originally presented to the Lok Sabha. Stop. Honorable members may recall the general discussion on the floor of this house and the appraisal which was given to the bill during the period that the bill has been before the Parliament. It has been subjected to a wide variety of comments by individuals and institutions representing various sets of opinion. Stop. These have all been taken into consideration, and after due deliberations, certain amendments were proposed by the government. Stop. These have been considered and incorporated in the bill as passed by the Lok Sabha. Stop. Para. Honorable members are undoubtedly aware of the various provisions of the bill as originally introduced. Stop. The provisions were explained briefly in the explanatory memorandum issued by my ministry and circulated to honorable members. Stop. A further note explaining the various taxation proposals in greater detail was also subsequently circulated. Stop. I will not therefore, weary the House by going into these provisions again, and shall, therefore, dwell chiefly on the salient features of the amendments that were incorporated in the bill during its passage in the Lok Sabha. Stop. Para. Sir, so far as personal taxation is concerned, the main emphasis of the critics have been against the lowering of the exemption limit on personal income tax and the reduction of the income tax burden on the higher slabs of income. On these points, I have been at pains to explain the objectives of our taxation policy. Stop. Para. I had mentioned in my budget speech that the main reason for reduction in the existing rates at the higher levels of income was that in practice very high rates of direct taxation at the top brackets of income tend to erode the tax base and encourage tax evasion. Stop. It is no doubt true that the maximum rate of income tax and super tax applicable to the top brackets of income is proposed to be reduced from about 92% to a little less than 77% for earned incomes and 84% for unearned incomes. But this reduction in marginal rates is not to be viewed in isolation under the tax pattern. Income tax does not stand by itself. It is supplemented by the wealth tax and the expenditure tax. Stop. Thank you.